Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to find your video engagement on YouTube using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. To begin, open your web browser and go to studio.youtube.com. This will take you to the YouTube Studio dashboard, where you can access various tools and features. Step 2. Click on Content. Within YouTube Studio, locate and click on the Content tab. This tab allows you to manage and view all your uploaded videos. Step 3. Select the video you want. From the list of your uploaded videos, find and select the specific video you want to analyze for engagement. Step 4. Click Details. Once you've selected your video, click on the Details option. This will open up a new page with more information about your video. Step 5. Select Analytics. Within the Video Details page, navigate to the top menu and select Analytics. This will provide you with comprehensive data and metrics related to your video's performance. Step 6. Click Engagement. Finally, within the Analytics section, click on Engagement to access detailed insights into how viewers are engaging with your video. This includes metrics like likes, comments, shares, and more. By analyzing your video engagement, you can better understand your audience's preferences and tailor your content to their interests. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.